Welcome to today's discussion. Today's topic of discussion is on infancy as a general exception. Sections 82 and 83 of the Indian Penal Code deal with the defense of infancy. Before we move on to the discussion on above mentioned sections, please keep in mind the following points. A child is not criminally liable for his acts if he is below 7 years of age. If a child is above 7 years and below 12 years, the liability depends upon his mental maturity. If he has attained sufficient mental maturity to judge what is right or wrong, he is liable. If he has not attained the sufficient mental maturity to judge what is right or wrong, he is not liable. In the case of a child above 12 years, he is criminally liable. Before we move on to the discussions on Section 82 and 83, please keep in mind the above said points. Let's see what Section 82 says. Section 82 is on an act of a child under 7 years of age. The code provides as follows. Nothing is an offense which is done by a child under 7 years of age. Quote. By Section 82 of the Code. An act done by a child under 7 years of age is not an offense. Presumption is that a person of such age is absolutely incapable of distinguishing between right and wrong. That is, he is absolutely dolly incapax. It is an irrefutable presumption of law. That is, Section 82 confers absolute immunity to a child below 7 years from being punished for his wrongful acts. Now, let's see what Section 83 says. Section 83 is on an act of a child above 7 and under 12 of immature understanding. The code provides as follows. Nothing is an offense which is done by a child above 7 years of age and under 12, who has not attained sufficient maturity of understanding to judge of the nature and consequences of his conduct on that occasion. By Section 83 of the Code, an act done by a child above 7 years of age and under 12 years is not an offense if he has not attained sufficient mental maturity to judge the nature and consequence of the conduct on that occasion. If the child above 7 years of age and under 12 years has attained sufficient mental maturity to judge the nature and consequence of his conduct on that occasion, he or she is liable to be punished for the crime. Section 83 of the Code confers only a limited immunity to a child above 7 years of age and under 12 from being punished for his wrongful acts. That's all for today's video. If you think that the video was useful, do like and share this video. Don't forget to visit our website for MCQ examinations and notes on this topic. Subscribe for more videos. A video from Law Aspirants Hub.